How to make a TikTok sound longer. First of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on the plus icon in the middle. This is the TikTok camera screen. You can take photos or videos to post on TikTok from here. Now, go to Media at the bottom right corner. You can choose photos or videos from your camera roll. Select a photo of your choice and then tap on Next at the bottom. On this screen, tap on Add Sound at the top to add a sound to this photo. You can view all the available sounds on TikTok over here. Select the sound of your choice and tap on the cut icon. Here, you can manage the time length of the sound. Using this option, you can make it longer if you want. Then tap on Done at the bottom right corner. Now go back and tap on the icon as shown. Here, you can manage the length of the video as well as other settings. Drag it to make it longer. After you're done, tap on Next at the top right corner. You can now add a caption if you want. Then tap on Post at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily make a TikTok sound longer.